This is Dr. Jenny Mitchell, and I want to demonstrate the Global Data Disruptor. As you can see here on the screen, I have a thematic research on healthcare, and then I chose a report on connected care. If you'll notice that inside it's going to give us the players, the trends, the industry analysis, the value chain, and even the company section. So let's look at this report. If I go through here, it's going to tell me some of the leaders in the field. And then when I have here the table of contents, and then I get down to the players. The players are going to show me who are the market leaders and who are the challengers. We also see the kinds of trends. Now notice that this report is dated November 15th, 2019. So the reports are added up there on a monthly basis, about a month behind, and you'll see that they tell you the leading information in each of these categories. So these are the major trends. So we look at telehealth, remote patient monitoring, autonomous vehicles, and then of course here the electronic health record. And that's one reason I picked this connected care report, was because it talked about the electronic health record. You'll notice here that it'll tell us what's happening as far as trends. It'll have an industry analysis which will show us some real case studies that are happening in different areas. So this is if I go down to the electronic health record, it'll talk about statistics about who's selecting it, who's providing the systems. And as you notice, many of you probably are more familiar with Epic than others, but you may see this may surprise you how this is listed out. Also, some of the mergers and acquisitions that are happening, the value chain, and specifically looking at where they fit in the overall health care for the patient, and some of the very specific companies that are involved. So these are like the mover and shakers of the companies. So we see all kinds of companies that are involved. The reason I'm showing you this is because thematic reports are going to give you the latest information and who the mover and shakers are in the healthcare industry. And then it gives you a future or an overview. What I also liked was how they developed the thematic engine, how they selected these movers and shakers, what kind of a scorecard they use to identify them, and so on. I think you'll find this information quite fascinating. So thanks for listening.